What's up, lawn dogs? Jeff Foster here, Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, we are quarantined. It is Sunday, and I am just going to do something totally off the wall that isn't lawn care related. It has to do with the kayak behind me, so stick around and I'll be right back. All right, lawn dogs, this is my Lifetime Tamarack 100 Angler Kayak. It is a fishing kayak from Walmart. It is nothing spectacular. I did use it last year and it worked great, but I want to make modifications to it. I bought an anchor system for it last year, a trolley anchor system, but I never put it on. So we are going to put this anchor system on, and it's Sunday, nothing else to do, I can't go work, so I might as well do something that I've been meaning to get to. All right, so I'm gonna pass this over to my camera lady. She's over there. She don't want to be on camera, but quick look. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right. All right, long dogs. This is the stuff all laid out. So we have the anchor system, the trolley anchor system right here. Sharpie so we can mark our holes. Drill bit, which is 3/16. Pop rivet gun or anchor drill. So that is there laid out, and we are going to get this thing started. Basically, I wanted to double check to make sure I had everything, because I've had this system for about a year now, and I haven't had a chance to put it on. But we're going to get that going right now. All right, so first thing we got to do is put these little anchor things on. So I'm going to put it on about 12 inches away from the, is that the bow, the front? Mark the little dots with my Sharpie. Then I'm going to take the same one and bring it to the back. Same thing, about 12 inches from the back here. Well, probably more like 2 feet actually from the back. Same thing, mark my little dots. And my finger. All right. Next. Okay, you can just keep recording, it doesn't matter. Because I like this. Next, I'm going to drill the holes. This is a, what, 3/16 drill? You ain't got to get that close.
It's going to be
3/16 that drill.
Makes it cool shots.
And then we'll go to the front over here and do this one. Now I just put holes in my boat. So lawn dogs, apparently I don't know how to use a pop rivet, or this pop rivet's not working, but I've ruined it. And I ruined this one trying to get it on, so I'm going to bolt this one on. And I'm actually going to change that up too, because I just thought, why am I using pop rivets on these when I can just use like wall anchors, like for hanging a picture? So what I'm going to do is put the wall anchors in here and anchor them in that way. To me, that just makes more sense. That are not the right size. I'm gonna have to go get a little bit bigger sizes, fill that hole, and then maybe silicone around it a little bit to seal it in before I screw the wall anchors in. But that's what I'm gonna do. Stick around, I'll be right back. So because I suck at pop riveting, I went out and bought these things here. They are drywall anchors. Let's see here. Right here, drywall anchors. They are like self-tapping, but what I've done is something a little bit different. I'll show you what I'm doing to get them to work. So the first thing I do is make the hole a little bit bigger here so I can get this piece in. I took the screw out of it here, and now I'm going to pop this in real quick. Okay. Now I'm going to do this screw here. Push it in. Oh, where did I do with my screwdriver? Alright, use a little flathead, tighten it down. And as you tighten it, you'll feel it get tighter to where the wall clamp, I guess, is clamping down on the actual kayak. So you'll go, and this thing's pretty tight already. You can feel it, and this thing ain't going nowhere now. Nice and tight. It's not going. I'm not going to over tighten it. All right. On the back, I'm actually can reach from under here, so I'm going to use the bolt and the nut that came with the kit to tighten this one up. I'm going to use the wrench on the inside, screwdriver on the outside, and we're going to tighten this up. This is not as easy as I think it would be. Oh, so much easier. Little screwdriver thing was not working. All right, nice and tight. On there. Next step, take your little D-rings or hooks, hook them up into the bolt. All right, on the next step. Now I'm going to put the zigzag plate right here on the right side. And the reason I'm putting it over here is because I'm right-handed. So if I sit on this side, I can do everything controlled from this side. Because most of my fishing action, believe it or not, goes off that way. So same thing, I'm going to put it in here, mark the locations. Right there, that's where we're going to go. Now in this case, I almost can reach that, but it's kind of hard, so I'm going to use those anchor systems that I used up earlier. I was really cold, it's tighter. The rest is definitely. Same thing, we use these anchors here. Take the screw out. Popper himself. So do I. That, use the popper. Alright, excuse me. Hammer, pop this in.
So focused. You're such a dork.
Alright, I got the zigzag. We're going to get this in place. try not to use the power drill if I don't have to. Tighten it up. Right now what it's doing is squeezing that anchor in up against the wall of the kayak. Starting to get tight. Feel it, and then start to squeeze the side of the wall of the kayak. Getting tight too. Now again, I'm not going to over tighten it because I'm going to break nothing. It is plastic we're working with. You just tap the bolt to make sure it's plastic.
Yes.
Done.
I'm your daughter.
I know. Alright. So that's that part. Now, the next part comes the rope. What we do here, I take the rope, and hopefully God it doesn't stay in a big old knot.
Good job, good job.
Alright, this over. So I'm going to use a fisherman's knot on this. I'm not a knot guy. Never went to Boy Scouts.
You're not a knot guy.
Not a knot.
Not a knot. Do 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 do.
Basically now, we run this through here. Like this. Oh, you know what? I didn't grab the scissors. Ah! I had a nickel for every time I drop something.
I'd have 2 nickels. It's pretty surprising that's happened twice.
So, now, what we'll do is we'll cut this and tie this to here.
Want me to get scissors?
I'll get scissors. We'll cut it kind of long at first. Then we'll trim it down. Again, I'm going to tie that fisherman's knot. I do not know if that's the best knot for this, but that's what I know. Better than my box square knot.
Dad.
Yes. There it is. So now, you can see the anchor system is good to go. And you can tie this right around here. And that, so, my anchor system is all set to release it. This way I can put the anchor anywhere I want. Yeah, I actually might turn this around. And that's as easy as doing this. Just so the ring's on the bottom. So I can take this clip off and flip it. That way the ring's on the bottom here, instead of on the top. And just use this one. Now the ring's on the bottom. Okay? And when I throw the anchor or find where I want it and I throw the anchor into the water, I can then, this is how I stop it from moving around here. So you want it a little loose, like this. It feels like really loose, but you want it that way. Now, again, my knots are not the greatest here, so I gotta keep an eye on those because you don't want to lose my anchor. But I'll look into that.
Yeah, when you're tugging me along.
Huh?
When you're tugging me along.
I'm not tugging along. This is for like hand fishing stuff. So anyway, to store it, I'm gonna keep it nice and tight. I'm gonna do this right here, and then this will be my anchor system. All done. That is the H2O trolley anchor system for the kayak. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in below. You guys want it? I'm sure to work on other things. The anchor itself is just a 3-pound anchor. It's nothing big, but I'm on a kayak, and the reason I wanted this anchor system because I do a lot of pan fishing with this thing, and I was tired of getting blown around all the time and constantly having to repaddle when I found a hot spot. So that is it. The anchor system is in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it informative. I know it's not the normal lawn care video that I normally put out, but it's what I got. You know, we're on quarantine. I'd like to thank my daughter Olivia for helping me out and recording for me. I hope when I look back on this film and put this video editing that she did a pretty good job with the camera.
Quite honestly, I don't know where I was pointing, so.
You don't know? What are you doing?
I don't like my face being shown.
Okay, it's not that yet. Oh, got her. Got her. Anyway, I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Bye.
You're stupid. Get that out of your face.
Quinny is a star. Everybody knows Queen Quinny from my live chats. It's Queen Quinny.
So.
Alright, lawn dog, so got the wife's car back in the garage, put the kayak away. Now I'm just gonna finish working on cleaning my garage over here, gonna get that Plow taken care of, probably tomorrow. But anyway, I am gonna call it a day on this video. I want you guys to remember a couple things, you know. Always give maximum effort, go make that green, and be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Wash those hands. All right, Floyd, I'm out.
You're stupid. Get that out of your face.
Quinny is a star. Everybody knows Queen Quinny from my live chats. It's Queen Quinny
So.
always makes her appearance.
Those are probably gross.
Yeah.